What downtime actually means in real life. Downtime sounds simple. A machine stops, production pauses, someone fixes it, then the line starts again. That is how it looks on a report. In real life, downtime is not a pause. It is a chain reaction. A stoppage on one machine becomes a problem for the operator standing there waiting. Then it becomes idle labor. Then it becomes a supervisor trying to re-sequence the shift. Then it becomes maintenance getting pulled off another task. Then it becomes a missed target that shows up in a meeting later with a number attached to it. And by then, the damage is already spread across the plant. Downtime is not just lost minutes, it is lost rhythm. Factories are built on timing. When the timing breaks, everything downstream starts absorbing the cost. A 3-minute stop does not stay 3 minutes. It can become a restart delay. A restart delay becomes a quality check. A quality check becomes a backlog. A backlog becomes overtime. Overtime becomes shipping pressure, and shipping pressure becomes a margin problem. So when someone says it was just a short stop, the real answer is no. It was the moment the factory started paying for fragility. Because downtime reveals the truth about a plant. It tells you whether the process is stable or just barely surviving. It tells you whether the team can recover cleanly or only improvise. It tells you whether the data is useful or just late. It tells you whether leadership understands the floor or only the dashboard. The machine is where the stoppage appears, but the real issue is usually deeper. Maybe the fault keeps returning. Maybe the material arrives late. Maybe the setup takes too long. Maybe the handoff between teams is weak. Maybe the people closest to the problem already know the answer, but the system does not listen fast enough. That is why downtime is expensive in ways reports never fully capture. It's not just a maintenance event. It's not just a production event. It's an organizational event. It exposes how the factory really works when everything is under pressure. And that's why downtime matters in real life. Not because a machine stopped, but because the stop revealed how much of the plant was depending on perfect conditions that never really existed. Downtime is what fragility looks like when it becomes visible.